Hey, beautiful. I just wanted to stop by really fast. I'm in my car, but I'm not driving because that would be bad. But I'm in my car. I just finished doing a yin yoga class, and I just wanted to stop by and connect with you and find out if you're enjoying the challenge or what your thoughts are, because I know that this one's a bit of a different one. I have structured the challenge for the spring cleaning because I find that whenever I feel stuck with something, maybe overwhelmed or I'm procrastinating or it just feels like it's too much, just taking little tiny actions open me up to being able to do more without even trying. It just makes it all so much easier. Getting unstuck is so much easier when you have one bite, and then that bite sort of snowballs, which is kind of why I went to yin yoga tonight, quite honestly. I was feeling super, my energy was just all that. I was feeling gross and blocked off and icky and just not open. So just the action of going to a super relaxing stretching class was all I needed to open back up and get that snowball of action and energy and happiness back. So I hope that that's what you're finding is happening with some of these challenges. When you take one little bite, then it makes it so much easier. It gives you a success. You've got a win under your belt. You feel good. And then maybe it snowballs into something else that you add on in addition to the task. Maybe all of a sudden, you wiped off that windowsill and it happened to be next to a bookcase. So you wipe that off too. I find that I do that a whole lot better when I have just one bite to start. And then I allow myself to do more if I feel like it or not. So let me know if you're enjoying this, because I know that we normally do organizing challenges and decluttering. This is our first spring cleaning. But if you're enjoying it, then we might do this, once or twice a year. So let me know in the comments. And also, just a heads up, next challenge later this month is papers. So we will be tackling our papers. This is something that I have to do every once in a while myself and get them under control and rein them back in, because no matter how good I am at it, there's still filing to be done and sorting to be done. It never seems to end. So look for the papers challenge to come up. If you did not get a chance to get your life binder at the challenge price, that lower price, then you will get a chance at this papers challenge to do that. Because I know that I've had some people ask. So watch for that. And then for the paid members in the membership group, in that challenge group, we will extend the papers challenge. So we will continue sorting and filing, and I'll be there to answer your questions, and we'll make it a really good fun time to get through as many papers as we possibly can. And if you have questions about assembling the life binder or anything like that, that paid section of the membership group is going to have an extended portion of the papers challenge. So when it ends for the free public papers challenge, that paid section is going to have even more resources and fun stuff and sorting, one tiny bite at a time, which is how I like to do things, with plenty of encouragement and love and tiny bites. So tell me what you think in the comments below about this challenge, about what's coming up, any of your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. I'm so happy that you've joined me and been following along. Having you around and in this group and part of this has just been such a blessing. So keep being amazing, keep being who you are and sharing like you've been sharing. And I love you. I will talk to you real soon.